What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here, hanging out here at the mother's house. Had a small little update to do on the 06 Ls430. My mother just got home a few minutes ago. She had gone up to their lake house in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and on her way up there, a tree fell in the road and she ran over it. Well, you're looking and going, okay, so what? But it boogered her up a little bit. It's not going to be terrible. She's already got a quote. It's going to be about $4,200. As you can see, it just left lots of luckily it was a dead tree, but it just left lots of road rash. Here's a piece of the tree. It broke the grill. Here's a piece of the tree. As you can see, the wood's very, very dead. I mean, it was a dead tree, thank God. Because I think if it was a big live green tree, it would have really done some destruction. But this is probably the worst of it right here. There, that corner got the fog light, and of course just mangled the lower valance, scratched up everything. You know, she said there was a limb sticking out of the grill when she got there. But funny enough, it came on around. I can't see any. I see some very fine small scratches through here that could be buffed out. Very small, but it came up and whacked this mirror, cracked it, as you can see, and it's in the power folding position. Everything else, from what I can see around the car, looks okay. There might be a superficial little blemish here and there, but no, real paint damage. And then, of course, she came through the tree and everything's fine on the back side. This mirror didn't escape as well. It lost its... Oh, shoot, sorry. Hit the camera with the door. There's the mirror. So the tree was able to whack. It looks like that's a piece of the valance down there. But so the mirrors didn't escape, but the majority of the car, the body, there might be a little something there, a little marking. But the majority of the car overall, luckily, she got real lucky. I mean, if it would have landed on the windshield, it could have killed her. I mean, your mind just goes through all kinds of scenarios. But luckily, it fell right in front of her. She wasn't able to even react. And she just smashed right through it. Good old Lexus, man, just plowed it down, buddy. Mow that sumbitch in half. I don't know if they're going to want to do something here. I mean, this grill seems fine. And the hood's okay. That's just rock chips and bug guts from 15 years. But yeah, did pretty good. This looked like all this down here took the brunt of it. Oh, and I got down here and wanted to check out the engine pan, and it looks like it did its job. It's not, well, it's kind of dented there, maybe. Might be a little compromise right there. So they may be replacing this as well. But overall, no funny leaks, or she had the front suspension and rear suspension checked out by the body guy. Said, you tell them to check all that stuff real. Oh yeah, that's just barely sitting in there. I told her, I said, you have them check all that really, really good. Make sure you don't have any bent steering components or anything like that. So got a $4,200 quote and I think it goes in Monday. So just a quick update on the 06 LS430. We had a close call. Luckily nobody hurt, and she'll be fixed up brand new again. Hope y'all are having a great weekend. We'll see y'all soon. Peace.